Starting a business can feel overwhelming, especially when you are worried about spending money before you even make your first sale. But starting small can actually be an advantage. You do not need a huge office, a large staff, or a massive investment to get started. What matters most is finding a real problem, offering something people want, and keeping your early expenses under control. The goal at the beginning is simple: start with what you can manage, serve your customers well, make a profit, and use that profit to grow. So, if you have been thinking about starting your own business, here are 20 small business ideas worth considering this year. Number 1. Yoga and Wellness Center. More people are looking for ways to stay active, flexible, relaxed, and healthy. You could start with small group classes, private sessions, or wellness programs and expand as your customer base grows. Number 2. Catering business. There is always a reason to serve food. Weddings, birthdays, meetings, celebrations, and private events all need catering. If you can provide tasty food, dependable service, and reasonable prices, this can become a business with plenty of repeat customers. Number 3. Travel agency. People travel for vacations, business, family visits, and special occasions. A travel agency can make the process easier by helping customers arrange transportation, accommodation, tours, and other parts of their trip. Number 4. Fast food business. A well-located food business can attract customers who want something quick, affordable, and delicious. Instead of creating a huge menu from day one, start with a few items you can prepare consistently and make really well. Number 5. Chocolate and dessert cafe. Who can easily say no to chocolate and desserts? A small cafe offering chocolates, cakes, pastries, desserts, and drinks can attract people looking for a quick treat or a comfortable place to spend time. A few memorable signature products can help set your business apart. Number 6. Fitness training programs. If fitness is your area of expertise, you could offer personal training, group exercise classes, workout programs, or specialized coaching. You do not necessarily need a large gym to begin. With the appropriate qualifications, you can start with a small space, outdoor sessions, or suitable online services. Number 7. One-product restaurant. This idea takes a different approach. Instead of trying to sell everything, build your business around one main type of food. For example, you could specialize in burgers, chicken, pizza, noodles, sandwiches, or another popular meal. The idea is to become known for doing one thing extremely well. A focused menu can also make your operations easier to manage. Number 8. Website security services. Businesses rely heavily on websites and online systems, so protecting them is important. If you have the necessary technical skills, you could provide legitimate services such as security assessments, monitoring, maintenance, and protection against common online threats. Number 9. Data backup services. Important information can disappear because of hardware failure, accidental deletion, theft, or other problems. A data backup business can help individuals and companies protect their important files and create systems that allow them to recover information when necessary. Number 10. Security camera installation. Security cameras are used in homes, shops, offices, warehouses, and many other properties. If you have the right technical knowledge, you could install, configure, maintain, and service camera systems for customers in your area. Number 11. Massage and wellness business. A professional massage service can appeal to people looking for relaxation, recovery, or general wellness. Depending on local requirements and your qualifications, you could operate from a small studio or offer appointment-based services. Number 12. Home improvement and handyman services. Homes constantly need repairs and improvements. People need help with painting, furniture assembly, installations, repairs, maintenance, and other practical jobs. If you have useful hands-on skills, you can start with basic tools and gradually build a reputation through good work and customer referrals. Number 13. Children's educational services. Parents are always looking for useful ways to support their children's education. You could offer tutoring, homework assistance, language lessons, educational classes, or other learning programs based on your skills and qualifications. Number 14, software and app development. If you know how to code, there are many businesses and individuals that need digital solutions. You could build websites, mobile applications, booking systems, business tools, or software products. You can also create your own digital product and sell it to many customers instead of working on one project at a time. Number 15, consulting services. Sometimes your previous career can become your next business. If you have experience in areas such as marketing, sales, accounting, technology, management, human resources, or operations, you may be able to help other businesses solve problems. You are essentially turning your knowledge and experience into a service. Number 16, car and machinery spare parts. Vehicles and machinery eventually need replacement parts. A spare parts business can serve car owners, mechanics, construction companies, farmers, and other customers depending on your location. Before investing heavily, research which parts are actually in demand in your area. Number 17, professional car wash. A clean car is something many vehicle owners are willing to pay for. A professional car wash can work particularly well in busy areas with plenty of vehicles. You can begin with basic cleaning and later add services such as interior detailing, polishing, waxing, and deep cleaning. Number 18, internet service business. Reliable internet has become an important part of everyday life. Where regulations and infrastructure allow it, an internet service business can provide recurring income by offering dependable connectivity to homes and businesses. The key is not just providing internet, but also offering reliable service and good customer support. Number 19, furniture business. Furniture is needed in homes, offices, shops, restaurants, and many other places. You could work with skilled carpenters to produce tables, chairs, beds, cabinets, shelves, and custom furniture. One way to reduce your initial costs is to focus on made-to-order pieces instead of filling a warehouse with products that may not sell quickly. Number 20, pure water production. Clean drinking water is a basic necessity, which makes water production a potential business opportunity in areas where there is sufficient demand. Depending on local laws and regulations, you could produce and sell sachet or bottled water to households, shops, offices, events, and other customers. However, this is a business where hygiene, quality control, proper equipment, and regulatory approval should never be treated casually. And there is one important thing to remember. A good business idea is only the beginning. Before investing your money, find out who your customers are, what they are willing to pay, who your competitors are, and how much it will actually cost to operate the business. Do not assume that a popular business automatically means easy money. Start with research. Start with what you can afford. Test your idea. Listen to your customers. Then expand when the numbers make sense. Sometimes the biggest businesses begin with nothing more than a small idea, a few customers, and the determination to keep going. So, which of these business ideas would you choose this year? And if you already have a business idea of your own, share it in the comments. Your idea might give someone else the inspiration they need to get started.